Welcome back guys to another video. So this time I'll be showing you on how you can use Atoba to stream other sites or to go to other sites or even download movies. So first of all, what you need is the Atoba app. So go ahead and open your Play Store and search for the Atoba app. Then it will open the search bar where Atoba is. Please just download and install, just like you're seeing mine is already downloaded and installed. So go back to the main menu, open the Atoba app. So when you open the Atoba app, sometimes it takes a little bit longer, sometimes it's fast. Just turn on your flight mode on and off to open. After it opens, just scroll to the bottom, you will see ChatGPT. Go ahead and click on ChatGPT. So after opening ChatGPT, go ahead and click on terms or privacy and policy. When privacy and policy opens up, just go ahead and scroll to the bottom until you see the icon for YouTube. Go ahead and click on the icon for YouTube. After clicking the icon for YouTube, it will open the YouTube channel via YouTube. So go ahead and click on the YouTube icon again to go to the main menu for YouTube. You go ahead and just search for search engines. After searching for search engine, go ahead and scroll to the bottom. You'll see a channel written Byte. Go ahead and open the video. Inside the video, just go ahead and check the description of the video. You just click on more. To open the description, click again on more. Then to show you the description of the video where the links for the search engines are, go ahead and click on one of them. Then it will automatically open the search engine website which was listed. So go ahead now, type the website where you want to go. So when you click on the site, it will open. You can sign in and watch your videos. Or if you want, you can search for maybe Twitch if you want to watch some game live streams. So as you can see, the Twitch is opening and I'm able to stream all the live games that are being hosted. Thank you guys for coming through. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like the video, and don't forget to comment if you are facing any challenge. See you guys next time.